Saying just one word after eating could bring you forgiveness from Allah. Face with open mouth. Soft nashed in the background, warm and peaceful lighting. The Prophet Muhammad said, whoever eats food and says Alhamdulillah, all praise is to Allah. Allah forgives his past sins. Tirmidhi. Imagine that one moment of gratitude, and your meal becomes an act of worship. Fork and knife with plate. Show someone quietly reciting a dua after eating. You can also say this beautiful dua, Alhamdulillahilladhi atamana, wa sakana wa jalana minal muslimin. It means, all praise is for Allah who fed us, gave us drink, and made us Muslims. A short prayer, but it brings endless barakah. Crescent moon. Soft glowing light. Person smiles peacefully, maybe looking toward the sky. Gratitude doesn't just fill your stomach. It fills your heart. Red heart. Every Alhamdulillah you say is written by the angels. So next time you finish eating,